Hi, this is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, bringing you scenes from the cleaning of the Augustus Turnbull Conference Center located at Florida State University. We used a variety of techniques during the cleaning of this building, including soft washing, pressure washing, and window cleaning with our pure water system. Working in public spaces such as this can always be challenging. We make sure to provide plenty of safety cones and a flagman to take care of traffic on the roadways and provide for public and crew safety. At the end of the project, we provided a window cleaning with our pure water and water-fed pole system to leave the windows spot and streak free. Thank you for viewing our video on the Augustus Turnbull Center at Florida State.